Hi guys, if you are new to Pepperstone and feeling confused by all the platforms, account types, trading tools, then this video is going to show you exactly how you can start using Pepperstone from account setup all the way to placing your first trade. So first of all, you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards, you just have to simply sign up here with the help of either your email address and by creating a strong password for your account, or you can also just simply select the option of your Google account. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you on this type of dashboard in front of you. Now over here, if you want to create a live account, you will have to first of all select the option of live, then click on the option of add a trading account. Afterwards, you just have to simply provide some of your details, like you need to provide the application process and you need to complete that in order to activate your live trading account. But if you want to create a demo account, you just have to click on the option of demo, then click on the option of add a trading account. Afterwards, you just have to select the account type, the demo amount, the nickname and the currency, and then click on the option of submit. Now as you can see, I've already created some of the demo accounts over here, and these are going to look something like this. Now when you have successfully created your demo account or a live account, you just have to simply click on the option of launch web trader. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you on this type of trading page in Pepperstone, where you can basically take a look at the chart and then you can just simply place your trades. So over here, you just have to first of all select your ticker in which you want to trade. It can be any forex ticker or it can be any of the cryptocurrency tickers. And after that, in order to place your trade, you are going to see these types of buy and the sell options. But first, you just have to enter the lot size here. And when you enter the lot size based on your own trading experience and your setup, you just have to simply press the buy and the sell orders. Now, when you select the buy and the sell orders, all of your positions will be shown over here in this particular bottom section, and you can see the realized PNL as well as your date and time of the trade. So if you want to cancel the trade, simply click on the option of this cross icon and then you can close your position. So that's how basically you can start using Pepperstone. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.